Hi everyone, Dennis Ransdell here, and I'm going to have you watch over my shoulder as I build out a ProMobile app for your company. But first, I want to cover some reasons why a ProMobile company app is important and will help you book new business. And by the way, don't worry, you can still keep your current company desktop website. Your ProMobile app will complement your current site. However, your ProMobile app will actually become much more valuable than your current company website, and here's why. Right now, over 65% of your current and future clients use their mobile phones to access the internet, and that number is growing quickly. This means that when a client views your current desktop website on their phone, it's probably not going to be the best experience for them, especially if they can't find your contact information quickly and easily, or they have to pinch and scroll to view your website on their phone. You're going to lose potential clients to your competitors fast. Your ProMobile app will not only give users everything they need to contact you instantly, but your company mobile app will also capture user information instantly to a contact list for future follow-up, something your current website cannot do. You'll also be able to promote your company by sending follow-up text messages and promotions all on autopilot right to your client's phone, something your current website can't do. And your company mobile app is completely interactive with your visitor. Your app includes one-touch buttons to text you, call you, or email you instantly right from their mobile device. No scrolling or wading through several pages to connect with you instantly. Again, something your desktop website cannot do. And to make it super easy for you to create your own ProMobile app, we're going to start by simply customizing one of our pre-designed templates. So let's get started by logging into your account dashboard. All right, to set up and publish your ProMobile company app, you start in the dashboard by clicking on Mobile Websites. A window will open where you can create your new domain name for your ProMobile company app. By the way, you only need to do this step once. Click on Create New, and you'll see a window open that'll ask for a web address. This is the unique URL for your ProMobile app. I'm going to use Photos. And then the company name, Photos by T. And for now, leave everything else the way it is and click on Save. You'll now see your domain name listed. It's photos.mymobisite.us. To create your ProMobile company app, click on Edit. And you'll see another window open with an invitation to start by creating a new page. Click on Start by creating a new page, and then Create New. Another window pops up, and this is where you'll put your unique URL for your mobile app. I'm going to call it Home. And then the page name is Photos by T. And then since we're creating a mobile company app for our company, click on Mobile Page. You'll see a window open up with several different template options for you to customize. You can choose any of the templates to customize, but I'm going to choose one here that is really designed for my company app. It's called Photography Company, and I can actually preview it by highlighting and clicking on Preview. You'll now see a sample of the app that we're going to customize. Let me point out some of the features in the app. Your company name will be at the top. You can upload your own company logo. It'll include a slideshow, plus quick connect buttons to you to text you, phone you, email you, or go directly to your blog. You also have the opportunity to put promotions right in the app itself, as well as information about your studio and your staff. Client Access gives you the ability to provide your clients a link to view their photos if you host with an outside service or host on your own server. It's also a great place to put testimonials. Here we're using a slideshow gallery to list testimonials from our clients. We also give you the opportunity to put video right in your company app. This is really powerful because your client will see the video right on their mobile device. Also, an option to give your clients the ability to fill out a form for you to contact them, along with the ability for you to put a map right into the app itself. All right, let's go to the app. I'm going to choose the photography company app, highlight it, and click on Create. And once I do, it'll put me right into the Builder window. You'll see 3 columns: Widgets, Builder, and Preview. Your app is composed entirely of widgets. For example, the company logo is a picture widget. To upload a new logo for your company, click on the wrench icon, and when the window opens up, click on Upload Image. And then choose Files, and you'll choose a file from your desktop, and then click on Add. Once you click on Add, you'll see it in the account library. Select it, and now you'll see the changes appear, and then click on Save. Now that we've added our company logo, the next thing I want to do is customize the gallery slideshow. The gallery slideshow is the next widget below the picture widget. And when you mouse over it, you'll see a box appear in the preview window. However, you don't see the actual gallery in this preview mode. Let me show you how you can actually see what the images look like. There's actually 2 ways to do so. One is to click on the wrench icon, and you'll see the images that are already loaded into the gallery. You can delete the images as well. And what I'm going to do is delete the stock images in here and then upload my own. To upload your own images, click on Add Images, and then choose Files, and choose the files you want to upload from your desktop, and click on Add. And then you'll see that image in the account library. Click on it, click Select. Now you'll see it in the gallery slideshow listing. To add another one, you simply do the same thing. You can upload several at the same time if you wish. And click on Select. And you'll see the images in your gallery slideshow area. You can also change the order by clicking on the left or right arrow buttons. Once you've uploaded the images you want to show in your gallery, click on Save. Okay, now that you've added images to your gallery slideshow, let's see how they work using our emulator. To view the gallery slideshow in an emulator window, click on Back to Domain Dashboard, and then Mobile Emulator. You'll now see how your actual app will look and appear in a mobile device. Once finished, click Close out the window. Click on Edit Pages. Select your mobile app, and you're back in the Builder window. Now let's look at all the other widgets that make up your mobile company app. The app panel is a great way to provide quick connect buttons to your users. They simply tap on the phone icon to call you, the text icon to pull up their text message, email will pull up their email program. The blog icon can be used for a number of different things, including a direct link to your blog or some other URL that you want to send individuals to. To make changes to the app panel, click on the wrench icon. And when you see the window open up, you'll see that the icons already in place are phone, text, email, and blog. If you want your icons to show in your mobile app, make sure the active box is checked. You can also change the look of the icon by simply clicking on the icon itself and then choosing an icon to represent whatever item that you want as a quick connect button. To change the order of the icons, use the up and down arrow buttons. To edit an icon, click on Edit. A window will open allowing you to enter the text underneath the icon itself. Also, select what type of quick connect link that you want the icon to represent. For example, if this is a text message link, then you want to choose SMS number and put in the phone number to receive the text. If it's an external URL, select external URL and make sure to put in the external URL address. You can do this for any of your Quick Connect icons. Once finished, click on Save. If you want to delete an icon completely, click on the red X. To add a new icon, click on New Icon, and then give your icon a name, and then select what type of icon it is, and click on Save. When finished, click on Save. You'll now see your icons listed in the order and with the name that you put underneath each of the icons. The next section is an image button. Let's take a look at that. Click on the wrench icon. When the window opens up, you'll see a place to give your image button a name and a description. The Set Button action, when you click on it, will open up a window and allow you to set the action for that particular button. You can set the button action to go to an external URL, to an internal page, to call a phone number, a text message, an email message, a share page via email, or back to the previous page. Okay, the next widget is an image button. Here we're using the image button to generate interest in our family portrait special. Let me show you how that looks. Click on the wrench icon. When the window opens, give the header text a name. We call it Family Portrait Special with a description. Click on Set Button Action, and it'll give you some choices of what you want that button to do when it's clicked on. The next widget is an image button. Here we're using the image button as a way to promote our Family Portrait Special. Let's take a look at how that works. Click on the image button wrench, and you'll see that we've given it a name, Family Portrait Special, along with a description. When you click on the Set Button action, it allows you to choose the action when that button is clicked on. You can send individuals to an external URL, an internal page, dial a phone number, send a text message, send an email, or share the page. You can also add button text as well as a button image. And here you would do the same thing. You would choose a file from your desktop and upload it, or choose one of the standard button looks. In this case, we've selected an image for our button. When finished, click on Save. The next widget you see is an Image plus Text widget. We're using an Image plus Text widget to talk about our studio. We have an image, and then we have text underneath. To edit this, simply click on the wrench icon. Give your header text a name. Here we call it Our Studio. You can give it a description as well. To upload an image, click on the image itself, and then choose the file from your desktop as we did for the other images, and then add it to this particular widget. You also have some options to align it left, right, top, and bottom. And then below the image, you can add as much text as you want. Now the next widget is an image button, just as the previous image button we used for the Family Portrait Special. However, we're using it a little differently. You'll see that it's just a button itself, and the text on it says View Your Images. The way we're using this is to view images hosted at an outside service. This allows your clients to click on one link and view their images at an outside hosting service. Let's take a look at how that works. Click on the wrench icon. You'll see that you can give the image button a name. We call it Client Access. And then the button text says View Your Images, and then we've selected an image button we like. Click on Set Button Action, and you'll see that we've linked it to an external URL. Click on Save, and save again. And now when clients click on the Client Access and click on the button, they'll be taken directly to your outside hosting service. The next widget is another gallery slideshow, but we're using this gallery slideshow to talk about testimonials from our previous clients. Click on Edit. When the gallery slideshow window opens, you'll see that we have 5 images in here. Each of the images have the ability to create your own text message underneath. To see how that works, click on the wrench icon, and you'll see the image as well as your client's testimonial underneath. To upload a client's image, click on Change Image, and then choose Files from your desktop as we did in the past. To add text, simply click in the text box, and you'll be able to change any of the text in this area. Click on Save, and then Save again. The next widget is our YouTube video widget. This is a great way to add a video, which will play right in the ProMobile app. To upload your own video, click on Edit Widget, give the header text a name, and a description if you wish, and then simply paste in your YouTube video URL. Click on Save, and you're done. Now when someone views your mobile app, they'll be able to play the video right on their phone. The next widget is a form. Let's take a look at that. You can see that you have options here to collect first name, last name, email, phone, company name, and a message, and with a send button. Your client can fill out this form and information right on their mobile device and then send it to you instantly. Let's look at how we can customize the form. Click on the wrench icon, and you'll see that the form fields are completely adjustable and changeable by you. To change the form, simply type into the box where the form name is and the label for the form. You can also add additional fields very quickly and easily. You'll also see some options on the left-hand side, including what you want your button to say, as well as the ability to redirect the visitor to a website or a page after they've submitted the form. Also, you can create your own customized message once the form is submitted. This is a great way to allow your clients and prospects an easy way to contact you right from their mobile device. When done, click on Save. Now let's look at the next widget. The next widget is a map widget, and it provides information for a user to find your studio location. Not only can they see your studio location on the map, but they also have the option to get directions from wherever they are. Let's take a look at how that works. Click on the Map widget wrench icon. You can see that you can add header text, a description, and then you simply enter your studio location address. Once you do, click on Get Longitude and Latitude, and our system will automatically populate the latitude and longitude of your address location. Click on Save, and you're done. You now have a customized map that clients can view right on their mobile device and get directions without searching Google for you. Let's look at the next widget. The next widget is a social bar. If you use Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Google+, this is a great way to allow users to connect with you socially and with just one touch of a button. Let's see how that works. Click on the wrench icon. Put in some header text, a description if you want, and then enter your unique Twitter URL, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Google Plus account URLs. You can change the icons if you want, change the order, or delete them completely. Click on Save when you're done. And now, with just one touch of a button, clients can go directly to your Twitter page, your Facebook page, to your YouTube channel, LinkedIn, or Google Plus pages. The final widget in the template is the Social Buzz. This allows clients to tweet about you, email you, or share you on their Facebook accounts. Let's see how that works. When the window opens, you can add some text, add a description, and then choose Facebook, Twitter, and share via email options. Once you've entered your information, click on Save. All right, now at the very bottom, you'll also see Publish, Save, and Cancel. You'll want to save your work often, so click on Save. All right, now let's scroll back up to the top. There's some other areas that I want to show you real quickly. If there's a widget that you don't want to use, simply click on the red X and it will delete that widget completely. Also, if you want to add more widgets, simply click on the widget you want to add. Let's say you want to add some text. Add the text, click on Save, and whenever you add a new widget, it'll always appear at the bottom. To move it where you want to, simply click on it and then drag it wherever you want it to go. And drop it. And now that new widget will appear in your mobile app. You can do the same thing for all of our widgets simply by clicking on it, adding it, customizing it, and then dropping it where you want to. It's that simple. I'm going to get rid of this text message since it really doesn't make much sense there. So I'm just going to delete it. And then you'll see it's gone right away. Now let's look at a couple of the other areas up at the top. One is Settings. If you click on Settings, you'll see that the page name I gave this mobile app is called Photos by T. The home screen icon allows you to create a customized icon for your ProMobile app. And what that means is when someone saves it to their desktop on their phone, it'll be the little icon that'll be a part of all the other icons on their home screen. To change the home screen icon, click on the box, choose the file from your desktop, and then upload it. Also, it's best that the icon is around 100 pixels by 100 pixels. Under Page Title, I have Photos by T. This is also the title that will go underneath the home screen icon that you just created. When you're done, click on Save. And then let's look at Style. This area allows you to make changes to text color, link color, font sizes, font types, backgrounds, background images, all to customize your ProMobile app. Once you select the changes, click on Save. Now there's one more step I'm going to take before we move on, and that's that you'll see your URL in the upper left. It says Page URL. And if you remember, when we set up the domain, I set up the domain so my domain is photos.mymobisite.us. And then I gave my ProMobile app the name Home, and that's my complete URL. You can also click on this URL at any time, and it will actually bring it up in a view window. This is another way where you can always view your app right on your desktop. Okay, one more step before we move on. I want you to highlight your URL and then right-click and copy it. I'll show you how we're going to use this next. Now, the final step is to scroll to the bottom of your Builder window and click Publish. Once you click on Publish, your app will be available for viewing. All right, that's it. Now let's close out this window and go back to the dashboard. All right, let's do a quick recap. You just learned how to set up and publish your ProMobile company app. You uploaded a new logo, you uploaded your own images, and you changed the text and links to your external social sites. Now you want to get it into the hands of everyone that you know and all future clients and potential prospects. And the way we're going to do that is through the use of a keyword and shortcode. When a prospective client uses your keyword, their information is automatically captured to your contact list for future follow-up. Keywords are very easy to create and work hand in hand with a contact list. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a keyword and a contact list to capture information, and a way for you to get your website directly into your potential clients' hands. Let's start by creating a new keyword for your company. In your dashboard, click on Keywords. And when the window opens, in the new custom keyword area, type the keyword that you want to use for your company. My company is called Photos by T, so I'm going to use the keyword Photos, F-O-T-O-S. You have two shortcode options. Keywords and shortcodes are a unique combination, and only you will have that unique combination. I'm going to select the first shortcode 71441. Both shortcodes work equally as well. And if you want to see if that shortcode and keyword combination is available, click on Check. A box will open up and it tells me that the keyword is available. I'll close the box and then click on Lease. and you'll now see the keyword in my keyword area. Click on the Yubuku logo to go back to the dashboard. We now have a great keyword for our company and a shortcode, and now we're going to create a contact list. A contact list will capture user information every time someone uses your keyword. To create a contact list, click on Contacts, and then Create New. And you'll see that the keyword we just reserved is now in the Available Keywords box. But first, let's give the list a name. I'll call it Photos by T. Highlight the keyword that we just reserved and click on Add. You'll now see that it's under the Assigned Keywords box. This means that this contact list called Photos by T and the keyword work hand in hand. Every time someone uses our keyword photos, our Photos by T contact list will be populated with their user information. Leave the opt-in database checked, and under Program Sponsor, you can put your company name. In the brief description box, you can enter a personalized message that'll be seen by anyone using your keyword and shortcode. In the brief description box, I'm just going to put a simple message such as "click to view," and then paste in the URL from the company mobile app I created. Let's look at the preview window on the right-hand side to see exactly what your prospective client would see when they use your keyword and shortcode. When they text photos to 71441, they'll receive a message instantly from you that says, "Photos by T, click to view," and then a link to your mobile app. They simply click on that link, and it will take them directly to your mobile app right on their phone. Let's touch on a few of the other areas real quickly. Estimated frequency is the number of times that someone might receive a message from you each and every month or week or day. Just leave it set to 4. You can always change that at any time. Require double opt-in? You can check this, however, it's more steps that your prospective client would need to go through in order to opt into your list. Apply Profile Grabber? It gives you the opportunity to obtain additional information regarding your user, such as email address, first name, and last name. However, it does require the user to enter additional information. Opt-in Reward Coupon gives you the opportunity to send a promotional coupon to your new list member immediately. You can do the same thing with a referral reward coupon when your user shares information with one of their friends. And the next box you may want to check is Notify Me when a user opts in. This allows you to be notified every time a new user joins your contact list and uses your keyword and shortcode. Okay, that's it. Click on Save and you're done. Click on the Yubuku logo to go back to the dashboard. All right, let's do a quick recap. We built our ProMobile company app. We've created a keyword. Now when someone uses your shortcode and keyword, they'll receive an instant text message from you. They'll be added instantly to your contact list with a link to view your ProMobile app right on their phone. All right, let's do a quick recap. We created a unique URL for our account. Then we selected a template to customize for our company mobile app. We then added our logo, images, quick connect icons, and links to point to our social sites. Next, we created a unique keyword and selected one of the 2 shortcodes. The keyword and shortcode combination is unique only to your company. Next, we created a contact list to capture our leads. Now, whenever a new prospect or client uses our keyword and shortcode, their information is captured directly to your contact list for future follow-up. We also copied our ProMobile app URL and then pasted it into the message each new list member receives. When our keyword is used, a follow-up text message is instantly sent to the user's phone along with a direct link to view our ProMobile site right on their phone. And finally, we spoke about the benefit of promoting our keyword and shortcode everywhere. Our keyword should be on our business cards, on flyers, tent cards, in your emails, and even on t-shirts. The more people that use your keyword, the larger your client list becomes. Now, the final step is to send individuals directly to your ProMobile site anytime a current or future client accesses your main website from their phone. You'll want to do this because 90% of standard photographer websites do not translate well to a small screen mobile device. And over 65% of your current and future clients are using their mobile device, not their laptop or home computer, to get information about you. So when your customer accesses your main website from their phone, they may get frustrated and jump to your competition, probably because they have to pinch and scroll just to find out how to contact you. What mobile users want is fast and easy one-touch links to call you, text you, or email you. The mobile app you just created has the features your clients and prospect wants, so it makes sense to send them to your new company mobile app instead of viewing your main website on their phones. You do this with just a small bit of code placed on your current website. Once you do this, every time someone enters your website URL into their phone browser, they'll instantly be redirected to your mobile site. This will guarantee that you'll have a much better user experience and you will have a happier customer who will contact you instantly with just one touch. Let me show you how to find your unique redirect code and how it's used. In your dashboard, click on Mobile Websites and then on Redirect Info. You'll see the redirect code highlighted. This is the code you would place on your main desktop website. Now, I understand that working with code is not something everyone is comfortable with. However, whoever hosts your website will know exactly what to do with it. We've even provided you a link you can email to your web developer or website hosting company with complete instructions. Simply contact your host or website person and send them the link to your code. It will take them less than 5 minutes to complete. It will definitely be worth your time and effort to provide your mobile users a good experience and give them easy access to book your business quickly. That's it. You now have a keyword and shortcode to use, plus a great-looking mobile website. If you have questions, send us an email to apps@yabuku.com, jump on live chat, or schedule a one-on-one appointment with us. Thanks for watching.